Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download roots on Rouvy. So let's get straight into it. First of all, we will need the Rouvy app, so be in the Rouvy app for that. Okay, so if you open the app, find the root you want to write from the dashboard or collections. So I will just jump here to the roots right here, and let's say for me Italy is really nice place to write. So let's get here to the Spring Classic and Milan to Pavia. So select that, for example, and then you will see here the download root button. Click on that, and just like that, here you can select video quality, so you can do whatever you like. Click select, and then you will see here that downloading has started. Obviously, you will need to wait a little bit to download the root, but still you can start a write. This is more for better uh, that you don't have any issues between the write. So if your internet connection gets down or something. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.